Guess who's back, back, back? It's Mandy, Mac, Mac, Mac.
What the fuck?
No? Hey guys, what's up? It's Mandy Mac with another video. Ipsy Unbagging, January 2019. It's going down, okay? Getting into it. Boom. Goodbye. I don't know about you, I kind of think that's a pretty ugly bag. Maybe I'm just being an ass. 5 products, go. Number 1, card, don't need it. Number 2, nail polish, yay. I requested I didn't want nail polish. I'm not sure what else I need to do.
Ipsy.
Blue, ooh. Yay. I did though. At the end of each Ipsy Unbagging, you can do like a survey to say like if you liked what you got or whatnot. And I've said like numerous times I don't like nail polish, so I don't want nail polish. Clearly no one's listening. Anyways, number 2. Ooh, lip gloss. Sweet. I haven't had lip gloss, like this lip gloss, in like, I don't even know how long. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. The basic lip gloss. 3. Hair product. Oh. Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner with Keratin. Okay. Yes, please. 4.
Say what?
4. Naked Cosmetics. Heavy Metal. Pretty. Is there a sticker? There's a sticker. Are we gonna swatch it? Are we gonna swatch it? Are we gonna swatch it? Ooh. Yeah, we are. Is this even Mandy Mac's channel if we don't? Yeah, it probably is because I'm not good at swatching. Oh, it's loose pigment. Thank God I didn't flip it upside down. Ooh, it's pretty though. Okay, we'll grab a little. Just grab a little. Just a little. Woo! I'm sorry. Are we blinding people today? Okay. Number 5 was too big. Thank you. To go in here. Boom. Illamasqua coloring pencil. Shade. Honor. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. With Mandy. So I'm on fire today. Oh, it's like brown chocolate. Ooh. Okay. Cool. Oh no, I broke it. Alright, that was it for the Ipsy Unbagging. Let me know what your favorite product is. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if you like this video. Subscribe, and I'll see you